Yes, I can. Can is one of the most popular modal verbs in English. This word is about our abilities. Can in present. I can speak English, but I can't speak Chinese. It means that I do know Chinese words. I know nothing about Chinese pronunciation and I can't support the dialogue in Chinese. By the way, pay your attention to the difference between informal and formal writing. If it's informal writing, you're chatting with your friends, you can say, I can't go out today, I'm so busy. But if it's formal writing, it's possible to use cannot. Can in past. 10 years ago, I could speak Russian, but I couldn't speak English well. My English was, worse. In 10 years, I will be able to speak several languages. Yes, I'm sure. And I will not be able to fail Chinese test. Please pay your attention that you can use contraction here. Not will not, but won't. Won't be able. Now I'm sure that you can feel the difference between can in past, present, and future. And you will be able to use all these words in future.